Hey, what is up guys, it's you the tech guy here, and I'm back with another video. So in this video review I'll be showing you guys that if you have an Huawei device, either a smartphone or a tablet, and you have forgotten your password or you have anything else, and now you are stuck with it. So there is a way, it's known as hard reset. So what you have to do is, first of all you have to power off your device. We're gonna wait for it until it is powered off. It's a bit old device, and it's on a bit old Android version, but don't worry, it will be exactly same on your new device or any old Huawei device. And now your tablet is powered off. What you have to do is you have to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Okay, now release your hands, and now we're gonna wait for it to do its process. Okay, so now we have three options. For hard reset, what you have to do is you have to select the web data factory reset, but there are two ways to do that. One is navigating through your volume up and down button like this. You can slide up and down, and for enter you have to press power button. And the second way is with touch, like this. And once you are in here, you have to press the wipe data factory reset. I'm not going to do that because I know the password and I don't need to, but in your case you have to press the wipe data factory reset, and it will erase everything on your device. Basically it's like a factory reset. And that is it guys. If you enjoy my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if it is helpful, please like the video. And if you have any other queries or questions related to any tech thing, please do comment down below and ask me. I will surely help you out. Stay there, and thank you guys for watching my video. Peace.